Your beliefs in the world and why things happen start from the time you were born. Your experiences and the way you're treated determines why you believe the things you do. Your beliefs guide you in every decision you make. Our brains are mini meaning makers. It makes meaning out of everything. We want to explain why things are the way they are to find comfort in the chaos. The only problem with making meaning of everything is that when we are children, we can't reason. That doesn't develop until around 8. But because we reason later, if we don't have a trusted caregiver to talk us through everything and build our self-esteem, everything that happens in our lives, we think it's because we did something to cause it. Oh, mommy's mad because I'm not being good enough. Or I'm sick because I deserve it and I'm a bad child. I can't get nice things because I don't deserve it. Bad things happen because I deserve that. This is what our childlike mind thinks. This is how our childlike mind explains why things are happening the way they are. And this is where the feeling of worthlessness comes in, and the belief that good things can't happen to you because you're bad. In your child mind, the world hates you, and you were always meant to have bad things happen to you. Now that is a belief ingrained in your brain that continues into adulthood, and you subconsciously find evidence to back it up everywhere you go, and with everything you do. Our brains always try to find evidence to back up our beliefs. Our beliefs are the roadmap in life that help us to know where to navigate to. If you believe that you're bad or worthless, or that bad things are meant to happen to you, you'll find evidence to back that up, and you will live that way. It will come out in your decisions, the way that you think about yourself and your life, and in the way that you speak. Every decision you make is based on your childhood experiences and the things that happened to you. Dad left, a belief is formed that everyone will leave, so might as well have temporary shallow relationships to protect you from the pain of abandonment. The girl or boy you liked rejected you in school, a belief may have formed that you're not attractive and can only attract people less than what you desire. Had any unfortunate events, a belief may have been formed that you were meant to have a bad life, so don't even try to go after what you want. You may even fear taking risks or doing things because subconsciously you believe it will never happen for you. You've seen evidence in the past that something bad happens when you try or when you want something, or that it's been taken away. Or you've seen that it's been taken away when you do try and get it. Now you live in a state of protection and giving yourself the bare minimum. You may have even convinced yourself you're fine without what you want, or you're okay with what you have, but you're not. You may feel angry, scared, and don't trust anything. The world feels unsafe. You feel unsafe. And it all stems from your beliefs forming in childhood, from what you have experienced. That inner child belief of, I deserve bad things, or that nothing good will happen to me, is all from a lack of being able to reason, and it comes from fear and pain. Bad things did happen to you, or you saw and experienced bad things, but it was not because you deserved it. It was unfortunately because life is chaotic and bad things just happen. There was nothing you did to cause it, or nothing about your personality that made you deserve it. You may ask, okay, what about my life now? Why is it so shitty? Being put in tough predicaments can set you up for a harder future, and being set up for a harder future makes you believe that's the future you deserve. Again, because your beliefs are that you deserve bad or good won't happen, you subconsciously take actions that prove that. You may not go after the job you want. You may not surround yourself around the best people. You may pick easier or less scary choices than taking a risk to get what you want. You may think, that can't happen for me, or I'm so scared of taking a chance because what if it gets taken away? So you pick what you know and what feels safe, and usually it's the lesser choice. This continues the proof and belief in your mind that you deserve bad or you're not worthy of what you want. It's not your fault why bad things have happened to you. The world is unfair, and some of us are dealt with much worse cards than others. The only difference between someone who had a better head start in life and you is that they got the chance to see what's possible, and you didn't. You may have only seen the unjust parts of life, and that's what has made you develop a belief that it won't happen for you, or you don't even know what's possible for you. You already have had a rough start, so it feels like that's all you are ever going to get. Your traumas and inner child belief are holding you back from having faith that things can change, and maybe, just maybe, something good can happen to you. Sometimes things just don't work out, or sometimes they are taken away, but it has nothing to do with your worthiness. It's just unfortunate circumstances. The minute you detach from ego and the idea that you have anything to do with bad things happening is the minute you can be free and take a chance to go after what you want. Does it mean bad things won't happen? Absolutely not. But if something bad outside of your control does happen, it is not because you are unworthy or deserve bad. Life just sucks. Bad happens. But it won't happen every time. The faith doesn't come in trying to control bad from happening. The faith comes in your ability to handle the bad and pick yourself back up, which you haven't really gotten the chance to prove, because it may always feel like you're getting sucked into a hole. You've never gotten the chance to form faith in yourself or the world, or that things can change. It's time to change that. It's time to drift away from your inner child's lack of reasoning and beliefs, and it's time to form new beliefs. Good can happen to you, and you can get the things you want. Does it mean you'll always get everything you want? Absolutely not. That's unreasonable. But you can work towards some things and accept that sometimes things don't work out and it has nothing to do with your worthiness. It's time to soothe that inner child, talk them through things, and find evidence to back up that change is possible. You are brave and strong enough to make those changes. You are worthy of love just for existing. You are capable of going after things you desire. Don't give up just because something doesn't work out. Keep going until something does. Keep trying to find faith that things can change. Every time you notice thoughts and fears that it won't happen for you, remind yourself that that's your inner child's fears. It is a very rational fear from all you've experienced, but things are changing now. You are the adult in charge, and you can make a difference. You were helpless back then, but you can advocate for yourself now. You can make things better. Even if it isn't everything, there's something in your life you can go after and make better. Get back up on that horse and try again. And remember, your brain is always looking for evidence, so when you find it, that doesn't mean it's true. It just means you've found what you're looking for. Look for evidence of what you want to believe is possible. And know that with experience, you will see how you can pick yourself back up when things get tough and make it better as the adult. So really, if you want a change in your life, it first starts with a change in perception, detachment, seeing that it's possible for things to change, recognizing your part and where you can make a change, seeing how other people affect your life, just dissecting every part of your life and seeing what can be better. And if it can't, how can you look at it differently? How can you be the change in your life to make it better?